Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro LT1. So this is the step below the SS, and I really think it is the cheapest way into a V8 muscle car on the market today. I mean, you get all the performance heritage Brembo brakes from the SS for $37,000 as configured, with the $1,500 10-speed. The wheels, that's an $800 option. But other than that, $37,000 for a V8 muscle car. That is pretty spectacular in my book, and that's sticker price. That's before rebates, that's before any discounts the dealers might offer. Really a cool overall package. This one is fitted with the cloth seats. Leather is available if you so choose. Very nice interior. Pretty cool. And go through all your apps and everything here. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, grab the seatbelt, go for a drive. You do have rear seats. They are kind of cramped, but they added this roof provision so you can kind of fit decently sized people back there. Nice leather wrapped wheel. It does feel really nice. We're going to be driving in sport mode. There's three main modes: Tour, Snow and Ice, and then Sport. As well as a little hidden mode. You press the traction control off button twice. That enters you into competitive mode. After just stepping out of the Corvette, this is still a ton of fun. Just absolutely awesome. The ride is actually really nice. Again, after coming out of Corvette, where I drove it in track mode the whole time, in normal mode in the Corvette, in Tour, it's very compliant, so it's not a big difference, but it's definitely nice to know that the road in front of me is closed. So I'll go ahead, loop around, and go a different way. Turning circle's not bad whatsoever. And there goes my license plate. Let's stop right here. Well, now you get to see how you access the rear seat. Push that forward. Your foot in. Stay. Just my luck that the plate would fall off. See, this is fresh off the truck, so we haven't screwed the license plate screws into the bumper yet, hence why that's like that. Just my luck that it's the curse of the camera, as I saw in one comment. That traffic just never seems to cooperate. This car is just so much fun. It's the cheaper SS. That's exactly the point behind the LT1. And I think this is a perfect spec. I would add the manual myself, but other than that, perfect. Need nothing more. It's supposed to be cheap, affordable power, and that's exactly what it delivers upon. With that, I want to say thank you all so much for watching this endeavor, I should say, with the license plate and my road being closed. Either way, fantastic car, tons of fun. I'm actually going back to drive the 2.0 liter turbo now. But what a fantastic car. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.